Small disclaimer. I have a I don't have a script for this. Sorry. And also another disclaimer. The speed paint you are gonna see on the background, it's not complete. Like I tried to record it as soon as I started, but when I realized that I needed some footage for a video, it was too late. I already started it. Anyway, let's start with the video. Hello, my little Dovakins. Today's gonna be kind of a bit of a rant. I'm not here to bash anyone on this theme in particular. The theme of this video is why should anyone on the creative world should know at least a little bit of PC builds and PC components, especially for processors and graphic cards and RAM. Those are the most important parts. Why do I think so? Well, I think that artists should know that for the simple fact, and I've seen it a lot, where I don't know if it's like a costume or like a tradition, or they really like the looks of those laptops. They artists, and especially illustrators and graphic designers, tend to buy Apple laptops. And I'm not saying or bashing Apple laptops. I'm pretty sure there are some good ones, but the ones I've seen out there that are the most basic ones are really expensive and really not worth your money, to be honest. And why, do you ask? The simple short answer, because I'm not gonna get into detail of components and stuff. I'm just gonna get things out of my chest. What my honest opinion is, because Apple, well, the laptops that cost, MacBooks that cost $1,000 or so, are not, like, I'm not saying the laptop is bad quality, but the components inside aren't really worth it, and you can get much more better laptops, more suitable for your job, for much less money or similar prices. I'm not bashing on Apple. If you are gonna buy laptop anyway, I don't care about brands or components anyway. Um, I'm not bashing you, but I'm saying you should know what you are buying, and you should get a little bit of info on what your money is worth. Not saying any brand is good or bad, just saying, like, for example, if you and you should know to your necessities as an artist. Like, if you are gonna go to university or college or whatever, and you need to take your computer out, you are not gonna build a tower PC. You're not gonna get like a GTX 1080 Ti from Nvidia, because it's a pretty big. Or in the creative world, we have the Quadro. It's really expensive graphics cards and are really bulky. So I don't really recommend building a tower PC or getting a tower PC if you are gonna get your PC out. But there are laptops. Like, I have a friend who is studying animation, and what laptops do they get? What do you need for animation? You need 3D rendering, you need graphic design, and my friend is also a gamer, to say something. So you need to play games too, and I think most artists I know are not really gamers, are more of casual gamers. But I'm gonna say this, like, a gamer PC, a good gamer PC can run your programs. What laptops on the market are there that can run your 3D programs and stuff? From what I know, from what I investigated, because from, as some of you might or might not know, I'm building a tower PC because I don't get out of my house. I don't really need a laptop. etc., etc. So I I'm building a PC so I can replace my old PC, which is 7 years old. So obviously I had to investigate because I don't want to waste money on unnecessary stuff on stuff that is expensive but it's not really doesn't really suit my needs. And from what I investigated, AMD processors, especially the most recent Ryzen APUs, which are it's the same as a CPU, a processor, but it has a graphics card basically. And Ryzen CPUs, to say something, are really good for both gaming and workstations. AMD CPUs are good for that. If you want top end gaming, you should go with Intel if you are looking for gaming performance stuff. And there are some laptops that include those APUs and aren't really that expensive, especially if you put a really discrete graphics card. Like there are some, like I don't know the exact specifications of my friend's laptop, but I know that you can get a 1,000 laptop, a thousand or 1,000 something laptop that can get you a GTX 1070. Those won't be like a $300 laptop, but if you are looking to buy a new PC, you should know something about that so you get what you're paying for. That's what I try to say. I'm not saying hey, buy a and build yourself a software PC, but I'm saying you should know at least a little bit of the components that you are buying that are worth your money. I really like this part of technology, PC building and stuff, but I'm not an expert. And I'm pretty sure you can find some other YouTubers that are specialized on PC building and stuff, like Pitwit at JJ 2 cents here on YouTube. Those are pretty good and make really interesting and funny videos. Really nice. But yeah, I'm just saying like you should investigate a bit what performance gives you, especially if you are rendering. If you are doing Photoshop or Paint2Sci or some drawing programs, it should be really difficult. Like I draw in Photoshop and I'm working on my 7-year-old PC. It crashes sometimes. It's not really the best experience I ever had on my life. I in fact hate it, but it's doable. It's not impossible. But if you really want something like that, like you can get something a little bit better. Like there are some, like AMD is releasing some really good APUs. Intel has some that are good too, but I think Intel is more suitable for gaming. I personally think. And also AMD has affordable graphics card and stuff. And if you are looking for a laptop, there are a lot of really good laptops that are the same money as a basic MacBook that it's really basic. Like it's really basic. They have like a Pentium. I don't know what generation. I don't exactly remember. They don't even have 1 terabyte of storage. They have like 8 gigs of RAM and I integrated graphics card that the only thing you are gonna do with that is not even play. You can't even play with those. Like from what I know from my Pentium, like you can play some old games. I play Skyrim in those, but Skyrim is like 8 years old or something. So yeah, I just rambled a bit on this video, and I'm so sorry if it's uninteresting. I don't know. I really like talking about that. So I just wanted to share a bit of what I know to help artists and creative people who are looking to upgrade or buy a new workstation. And really depends. It really depends on your necessities. Like I said, if you are going to college and you need to take out your laptop, you are not obviously not gonna buy a tower PC. If you are going to stay home for the most part and take your iPad or your portable tablet or something, you should really get a tower PC. It's really inexpensive. It's not really that expensive. I'm getting mine. Like it's not a high end one. It's a medium end. I'm getting it for 1,000, maybe a bit less. Like the market fluctuates a bit and prices rise and lower. And in other countries, like I live in Mexico, so the prices here are a bit more expensive than on USA. So on USA you can get the same PC for much more less than that. So yeah, just wanted to rent a video and say, if you want to game on your PC, and depends too on your budget, you can get really good tower PCs for less than $500, like medium to low end, but they work for workstations. My conclusion is you should get to know what you're buying. There are some basics that for processors, and as I say, I'm not an expert, that you can have like 4 cores on your processor, but if each core runs at 1 gigahertz, it's gonna be much more less powerful than another processor with the same amount of cores, but that each core runs at 3 gigahertz. So that's a basic. So yeah, if you are looking for a new workstation, you should really know what you need. If you need rendering from 3D and stuff, you're gonna need a more expensive equipment. If you are only looking to draw or design, it's gonna get a bit more affordable. If you are looking to game on the side, depends on the type of games you play. So it really depends on your needs, but yeah, the conclusion is do your research before buying anything, not only PCs. The music you listened to on this video was made by Joa Alex. They make incredible videos of urban exploring and really great music, and also had a really funny and really nice series of YouTube or Reddit videos that I really like. He has a really incredible unique style to those videos, so go check them out. Also, shout out to my patron Joa Alex on the $5 tier, Hero of Bat. So yeah, I have my Patreon on the description if you want to pledge from just $1.50 a month. You can go there, and also you can support me by sharing this video, giving it a like, and subscribing to my channel. I promise I'll make more videos soon, including a Q&A soon. So yeah, goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.